13 by 6 lace front wigs on Amazon. That's what we're getting into today, you guys. The info to this wig is going to be down below in the description and in the comment section if you guys are interested. And if you like reviews like this, make sure you guys go and join my Facebook group, See, Shop, Repeat. All right, y'all, here is the wig. I have so much to say about this wig. Let's just start off with the construction. Like I said, it's a 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's supposed to come pre-plucked, and this is in the color Balayage Caramel. Now, y'all, this was my first time trying this caramel color. I've tried a lot of wigs, but I never tried this color before. And wow, just look at it. I'm styling it as a side part. Y'all know I love a side part. That's what I'm going with. So I start off by tinting the lace with a foundation powder. I'll put the info down below, and then I cut the lace on this wig. The styling wasn't too much. I did use like a hair wax stick, and I did glue this wig down as well. The wig fit comfortably, which I'm so happy about. And when I glued this down, I went in with the glue and a cordless dryer that I got on Amazon until it became dry. I also did put a melt band on this later, you guys, and let it sit for a little bit, and then added some more powder to blend that hairline a little bit more. This wig really didn't give me many problems, y'all. It didn't have a ton of shedding. It was pretty light and pretty standard for a synthetic wig in my opinion, and it didn't have a ton of tangles. Now, the texture is a silky texture, so I don't know if those things will come in the future, but so far, pretty good. Here's a final look of the wig. So pretty. If y'all like this style, give this video a thumbs up. Remember, the info is down below in the description and in the comment section. I would rate this wig probably like an 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. And really no major cons, just a few things that will make it better. But yeah, y'all, here is the wig. I love me a 13 by 6 lace front wig. They do me so well, especially when you're able to glue it down and really style it and make it yours. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you guys in the comments. Let me know what you think about this style. And I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye, y'all.